Take this your stuff and get lost from here. And from today, no need to come here again.
But dear, where will I go at this age? Who do I have in this world except you? Because you please explain to daughter-in-law.
Dad, listen. I want to spend my whole life with my wife and children. If my wife doesn't want you to stay in this house, then I can't keep you in this house at all. We have a lot of expenses of our own, and we cannot handle you. Please just get out from here.
But son, I have spent my entire life's earnings on you both. And
That was your duty. So you did it on your own will. And I'm doing this on my own will. Please get up and get out of here.
son, when the world comes to know that you have thrown me out of the house, what will people say? No one will say that Sudhanshu is roaming on the road. The whole world will say that because his father is roaming on the road. You will be defamed, son. You don't do this. Son, whatever daughter-in-law did with me, she abused me, she beaten me, didn't give me food. I have never let the matter of the house go outside. Nor will I ever let it go. Just like I have been sweeping, mopping, and washing utensils till now, I'll keep doing this. But please don't throw me out of the house. Please don't throw me out of the house.
See, father-in-law, kids live in this home. And you're always sick. Sometimes you're coughing. And I don't want my kids to fall sick. I don't want any sickness in my home.
You've done enough drama. Get up. Pick up your things and just get out of this house. Go. Close the door.
Yes, tell me.
I wanted to meet Mr. Sudhanshu.
He doesn't live here.
He doesn't live here. The thing is that one of his policies has been completed. So I had to give him a check.
Check? How much it is?
1 crore.
You wait for a minute. Vikas?
Yes? What happened?
Father-in-law's check is here of 1 crore.
What? 1 crore? Yes, his policy has been completed. So please tell me that where he lives. Please tell me his address.
No, he lives here only.
But you just told me that he doesn't live here.
I said right now he's not here. He had gone to home. In some time he will be back home. You give me check, I will give it to him.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll give this check only to him. He lives here only. He has gone to visit his relatives. He'll be back in 2 days. You do one thing. You come the day after tomorrow. He'll meet you here. Okay, sir. I'll come later. Thank you.
Father has 1 crore on his name. Why you haven't told me?
I just found out too. Okay, tell me what should we do now?
What to do? Let's find him and get him back. He has 1 crore with him. Do you know? We will solve all our problems.
Hello. Hello. Yes, tell me. Someone told us that our father lives in your house. Sudhanshu sir is your father? Yes, he is my father. Okay. Well, you were the one who kicked him out of the house. I'll call him. Sir, someone come to meet you. You too? What have you come here to get? Dad, we have made a mistake. Please forgive us. We are your children. Please come home with us.
Yes, father in law, we did a very big mistake. We did very wrong with you. Please forgive us and let's go. Come to your home. From now on, we will take care of you very well.
It is amazing that such a big change happened in just 4 or 5 days. Sir, if they realize their mistake, then you should go with them. I know why these people are here. Why? For this. It looks like a check. It's a check of 1 crore. I had taken a policy and it has been completed. They told me that they have also visited my house. But you told him that I have gone somewhere and will return after 2 days. It was good that I myself went to the policy office's door. Otherwise, today again I get influenced by these people and go with them. When I have the money, then father, you come home. And when I had no money, my cough was making you sick. We don't want sickness in our home. Dad, please forgive us. We made a mistake. We are your children. Please come home with us. My child? You are my only son who threw me out of the house. And on the other hand, Sanju, who is not even my son. He just studied from me at one time. He saw me wandering on the street and he brought me to his house. And now I will give this money to the one who accepted me in my bad times. No, sir. I don't need money. By God's grace, that I have everything. Yes, if you want, we can use this money to help those people who are thrown out of their houses. They don't have any place to live. We can give to them. You are right, son. When these 2 people threw me out of the house, then I did not know where to go, what to do. It felt like I should die. What should I live for? But at that time, you found me. You gave me a new life. And today you have given me a new direction. Yes, sir. You have taught me. And you knew me very well that the situation at my home was not good. And I was not that good in studies. Still, you taught me tuition without any money, because of which I have become successful today. So, sir, please consider this as a teacher's fee from me. Hey, you guys are so shameless. You are still standing here. I tell you to get out of here.